Yeah, that's good. That's real good.
That's really good. And I think what it comes back to, another thing is that I spent a lot of good money and time on actually making good, like I paid for a video, like a video ad. I had a marketing guy like really actually like make good content with it. Like, you see those offer pad open door video ads, like the looks like a commercial like in the Super Bowl. Like, I think that matters, you know what I mean? I think
Yeah.
the content of the ad actually definitely matters, because, and I think maybe that's why we've had success. So that plus the multiple markets. And yeah, like even though I'm in Vegas right now, I'd say 90% of our business is in Central and North Florida. That's where we're just crazy right now. Orlando, Tampa, Jacksonville, Polk County. That's where a lot, like that's a sweet little pocket right there, Polk County. We love that area. So that's what we've seen. But we just closed an Alabama deal, Facebook ad. Um, where else? Oh, Texas. We did Granbury, Texas, right outside of Fort Worth. Just closed one there. We have a Hawaii deal. So yeah, I think the Facebook ads really work. In my opinion, they've worked best when you go to multiple markets, I think.